And this is the beautiful 2020 Toyota Tacoma, guys. Welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology. Beautiful interior, guys. Very important. 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating, guys. That was installed in this vehicle. This is our Degreez system, so you can always be cozy while you're driving this vehicle. You want this transformation, guys? Nothing compared to what you saw in the box, right? For sure, professional installation makes a difference. Guys, over 60 different colors, endless combinations. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. Exotics, diamonds, perforations. We have them, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations and techniques on how we do your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. Look at this beauty. Wow. Look at the details, guys. Look at the details. Just beautiful. Like and subscribe, guys. And keep on visiting the channel because we have constantly new releases, so you can see how beautiful these transformations are at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. And don't forget, go to either LeatherTeck.com or EM Upholstery Technology.com, fill up the form so you can get hundreds of dollars in discounts. Right now we are offering, I believe, up to $500 off for certain kits, certain features, so please inquire about that, guys. Thank you for watching, and put in the comments which is the next vehicle that you want me to showcase so you can see how beautiful. And tell me, guys, how do you think about these colors? What do you think about this combination? Do you agree that this is a killer for this truck, or you will do something different? I think the truck says that she's okay with it. How about you guys? LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Make an inquiry, visit, chat with us. And all this is brought to you by Black Rat. Woo! Thank you, guys.